You keep away from that diaper bag. Evan, stop it. Hey. Do you like these? Do you like manners? I don't think you do. I don't think you like the texture of them. I don't need your help. He says, look, Dad, I'm feeding myself. I'm gagging on my spoon. Can I do it now? Huh? Can I play feed the baby? Hmm? Yum.